Samsung is about to launch the Galaxy M40 with some interesting specs.
Are you okay? Because you're sweating pretty profusely.
Yeah, no, I'm fine. I always react this way to spicy food.
My name is Keno and you're watching Anchor Tech. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. The Galaxy M series devices have been performing really well in India, with the M10 and M20 being sold out within days of being launched, and Samsung wants to capitalize on that. They recently released the Galaxy M30, which is a step up on the Galaxy M20. Now we're getting reports about the fourth member of the Galaxy M series family, the Galaxy M40.
Oh, okay.
It has been confirmed. Samsung is about to release a Galaxy M40. The device was spotted on the Wi-Fi Alliance website, revealing the model number SM405F. It also revealed Samsung's One UI based on Android 9 out of the box. This is exciting because the Galaxy M10, M20 and M30 all had Android 8 Oreo out of the box, despite being released in 2019. It's expected to be powered by Samsung's Exynos 7904 chipset, which is on par with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660, so it is gonna be good enough for your day-to-day usage and some light gaming. And considering the purpose of the Galaxy M series and the prices of the M10, M20 and M30, we should expect Samsung to price this device aggressively as well. Just like the Galaxy M30, this device will have a 1080p Super AMOLED display. It should also have 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. Samsung might take that up a notch, but it's highly unlikely considering the price. The M40 is going to house a triple camera setup on the back, which includes a telephoto lens, a wide-angle lens and an ultra-wide-angle lens. The device is expected to launch in India, but there is no launch date yet. I bet we're not that far away from the launch of this device, considering it's already on the Wi-Fi Alliance website. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy M40 in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace out.